Good morning, student. I hope all of you fit and fine at your home and your study going well. Student, today we will start chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Soil and its types. In this chapter, we will study about the soil, types of soil and crops, soil and living things, and usefulness of soil. Student, as all of you know, soil is the topmost layer of the earth. Soil play an essential role in the growth of plants. Some animals like the earthworm, etc., live in the soil. Let us study how the soil is formed. So, student, as you know, that soil is not only support the plants but it also provide the water and essential mineral for their growth. Soil formation. The long ago the surface of earth was covered with the huge rocks. The rocks as they broken down into the small pieces due to the action of the sun, heat, rain and wind. The process continued for a long time and actually the rocks broken down into the small pieces. Finally the small pieces turn into tiny particles. These fine rocks particles were carried to other places by water, wind, and movement from one place to another caused these rocks particles to rub together. This made this made the soil. The piece further broken down into the very small pieces due to the action of wind, water, and heat. It and this is called the weathering of rocks. It's continuous process. It takes million of years to form an each of the soil, so we must protect the soil. Next one, what does soil contains? To find out the soil contains, do this the activity in this classroom. Collect some soil from your garden, put the soil in jar and add the water at stair and allow the settle down. Observe that after some time you can see that soil can be separated into the different layer. Bubbles settle down at the bottom. They are formed by the particles of sand and then clay. Clay is the form by the muddy soil and you will be the lighted and particles in this water. The top layer is made up of the humus and contains remains of dead plants and animals. Soil contains in water, air and humus. It also contains sand, clay, pebbles. The top layer has the remains of the dead animals, plant and leaves. It is called humus and it is very fertile. So it is very good for the growth of plants. Soil can differ in the smooth length and colors and the size of the hills. Okay. So this activity you can also do at your home. Also take a glass one a glass, okay, and put one handful of the soil in that and stir with water, full that water. After some time you can see these layers. Okay students, draw this one different layers of soil, that one diagram in your copy and read the chapter properly and learn the book exercise. Okay, thank you, god bless you.